Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a manual defibrillator. First, always prioritize safety by ensuring the scene is secure for everyone involved. Next, quickly assess the patient's condition, checking for responsiveness and breathing. It is crucial to call for emergency medical services right away, providing them with all necessary details. Finally, prepare the defibrillator by turning it on and selecting the appropriate settings for immediate use. Proper pad placement is vital for effective defibrillation. Place the first pad on the patient's upper right chest, just below the collarbone. The second pad goes on the lower left side of the rib cage, ensuring it is below the left nipple. Always select the appropriate energy level, typically starting with 200 joules for adults, adjusting based on the patient's size and the specific protocol. Good skin contact is essential for energy delivery. Once pads are in place and energy is selected, it's time to charge. Loudly announce "clear" to ensure everyone steps away from the patient and the bed. Press the charge button and wait for the device to indicate it is fully charged, which usually takes a few seconds. Reconfirm that everyone is absolutely clear before pressing both shock buttons simultaneously to deliver the life-saving electrical therapy. Safety is paramount during this step. After delivering a shock, immediately resume high-quality chest compressions without delay. Continue CPR for 2 minutes, then reassess the patient's heart rhythm and check for a pulse. If the rhythm remains shockable, prepare to deliver another shock following the same safety protocols. Remember to continuously monitor the patient's condition and document all interventions, including the time of shocks and any changes in the patient's status, for a complete record.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.